Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on your Facebook account. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile, and after that click those straight three lines on top of your right screen, and now select the settings option here, and here on top you can see account center, and click this see more in account center option. And now here under account settings, you can see personal details. Click that personal details option. And here is your contact info. Click this contact info. And before changing it, to change the email ID, just click this option, add new contact. And here you will have two options, add the phone number or email. We are going to add email just here. And after that, give the new email ID that you want to give, change to, and then select your profile just like that and select next. And after selecting next, Facebook will send you an confirmation email to your new email ID. Just confirm that email ID from your Gmail account, and after that all you have to do is click the previous Gmail ID like this one, click it here and select the delete email, and your email ID will be changed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.